Today I wanted to try to start a video on testing out my Toro Super Recycler versus my Timemaster. I want to see how much time does it really save on just one of my smaller sections of my yard here. I generally use my Timemaster, but I have no complaints of the Super Recycler. I think it's a great machine. So today what I'm going to do, grass has been growing for 5 days. So I'm going to do the Super Recycler today. I'm going to come back in 5 days, hopefully no rain, and do it with my Timemaster, compare the two times. Both have, the blades are sharpened. They're both set at letter C on the ride height. So I'm trying to keep everything as similar as possible and then find out how much time does it actually save me. So let's get to it. So today I'm just going to do the Super Recycler, and I'm just going to do the same patterns up and down. I usually do one lap around the outside, try to keep everything as similar as I can. I'm going to fast forward the feed, but I'm going to keep a real time, and we'll find out how much time it takes to do this one, how much time it takes to do that one. So as I said, I'm only going to do the one section here. You give 5 days. It started to rain a little bit, but I don't think it's going to affect it much. Give it 5 days, come back, we'll use the Toro Timemaster, add up the time, see if it was worth it, and just know what you guys think. So I'll catch you in 5. All right, it's been 5 days. You just saw the recycler go through. Now I'm going to run through with the Timemaster. Grass is again right around 4 or 5 inches. So we have it set to the same ride height, and we're going to go through, cut it all, measure the time. I'm going to measure my yard so I have a square footage, and then I'll let you know how long it takes to cut per square foot with the Timemaster versus the recycler. So let's get on that next. So it definitely seemed a lot faster. I'm gonna look at the clock, put all the numbers together, give you my 2 cents, and catch you up then. All right, let's take a look at some of these results. First, let's look at the size of the yard. It's a 40-foot by 34-foot yard, or 1,360 square feet. The 22-inch recycler, that came in at 4 minutes 36 seconds, or 276 total seconds, and the Toro Timemaster came in at 3 minutes 18 seconds, or a total of 198 seconds to cut the same size yard there. This results in a minute 18 second difference, or 78 seconds faster for the Toro Timemaster. Now, if we take a look at the yard size divided by the time, we come up with 4.93 feet per second for the Super Recycler and 6.86 feet per second for the Toro Timemaster. So if we divide the 4.93 feet per second by the 6.86 feet per second, we come up with 0.718, or approximately 72%. That means that the Timemaster is 28% faster cutting this particular yard, and Toro claims to be about 40% faster, and I think in the right circumstances, I can agree with that. This yard it's smaller. There's a lot of turns, so you're going back and forth a lot, turning around. That takes time. I think if you're cutting a larger yard, less turns, maybe circular, whatever, I do think it probably could get close to that 40%. So which mower do you think is right for you? It all depends. You know, is your yard larger, smaller? You know, it takes a little more muscle. It's heavier to turn around. It drives nice with the personal pace. They're both personal pace, but you know, it's a little bit more physical, especially if you have any hills or anything like that. Also remember, guys, I've made a video before. The Toro Timemaster has a lot of maintenance involved. The recycler has one drive belt, one blade, you know, regular wheels, whatever. But the Timemaster, it's got four pulleys. It's got like a clutch system on the one side. It has the pulley belt, the drive belt, and the pulley engagement belt. So, and a couple cables. There's just more to maintain and more to go wrong. So it's a little more costly, and sometimes in the shop. If you're able to repair these things yourself, worth it. So let me know what you guys think. I think it was a fun little demonstration there to see, you know, how much time it would take. And let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have any of these machines, or if you recommend something different, or if you think I should test something else out. Check out my other videos here. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.